Hello everyone, welcome back to my KTP Low Content channel. If you are looking for a new niche to work on Amazon KTP, then this video is only for you. In today's video, I am going to give you November event and you will find best event niche from this November event. So if you are already publishing books on Amazon by the KTP platform, or you are new to this and looking to build an online business, then following as I tell you what these niche are. And now if you have not been to the channel before, then welcome. My name is Ruma Roy and I will do videos on how to make it, keep it and grow it. So our November event so our first November event is World Vegan Day, and second is International Pet Grammar Appreciation Day, and third is Scented Candle Day, and fourth is National Authors Day, and that is and fifth is National Stress Awareness Day. National Stress Awareness Day, and most of the important event is Day of the Dead, and our seventh niche is National Broadcast Traffic Professionals Day, and our eighth is Japanese Culture Day. Japanese Culture Day, and our ninth event is National Homemaker Day, and our 10th niche is International Stout Day, and our 11th is Grace Day. So there is all event of November first week. So from this event you can search You can search from Amazon KDP like National Homemaker Day, or like day of the day of the date planner. I am date now what that is uh, day of the date uh, journal, planner, logbook, coloring book, like we can search uh, day of the date. You can search World Weekend Day Planner, World Weekend Day Coloring Book, World Weekend Day Notebook, Logbook, Tracker, etc. And you can search every event like for Amazon, like a day of the date journal, day of the date planner, day of the date tracker, coloring book, activity book, versus etc. So day of the date sugar scale composition notebook. So here the results only shows 499. So there is a microniche. So you can day of the date journal, and here you can find out day of the date journal and day of the date notebook. You can see already have a review. So you can find out a unique niche or micro niche or profitable niche in this way. So if you have liked my video, please do subscribe to my channel and notification and hit that notification bell icon when I can share my videos, more niche, more ideas about KDB self-publishing business. So thank you so much. Thank you all.